Today I'm installing the shower glass. I'm going to take you through the whole process. Let me show you. So I have my holes marked out now. Now I'm going to drill them with the glass towel bit. I'm going to cut this track down now on the miter saw, and you can use a miter saw to cut aluminum, but you have to use the correct blade. So I'm thinking I'm going to conclude here for today, just because I think it's going to be easier to get the fixtures on when there's no shower glass in. So we'll be back to this soon.